So I wanted to show this new drone that I decided to buy to help with my recording of all my trips and explorations. This is not a sponsorship for any specific brand or model. It's just the one that I chose to buy, and I'll explain the reasons why I chose to buy these. So what I got was the DJI Flip. I chose this for several reasons. I'm relatively new to uh, flying a drone, and I'm also a hobbyist. I'm not a commercial flyer or do this for a business. This seems to be a good drone for this purpose. The It does have the guards for the propellers, which I think are very important for me. I expect to hit trees. I expect to hit things, especially as I'm learning. It does have a 3-axis gimbal, and one of the things that really caught my attention with this drone was the quality of the camera. I can get very high resolution filming with this that at least equals some of my other cameras that I have. So I'm looking forward to see how that works. And also, I got this one with a controller. This is the controller that comes with it. You don't have to have the controller. This one you can fly using an app on your phone, or you can fly with just pushing a button with pre-programmed flight paths. But I chose to get the one with controller, so I have the most control that I can do, especially if I want to record my Jeep journeys. So we'll see how this works out. I just want to introduce this, and hopefully we'll get some good sample filming here with my first tries at this. So
Takeoff. Home point updated.
just learning how to control it, and up, down, directional. Obviously, line of sight is very critical. It's easy with the clouds today. A little bit of fog and cloud. but no wind, very little breeze. So it's very easy to fly. This works out. You can still hear it from quite a distance away. It can buzz me. A little bit of fog and cloud. Yeah, I can see it disappearing a little bit into the fog there. It's kind of cool, really. Not bad. Almost hit it. Okay, so I think this has been pretty easy to use so far. I've really enjoyed it. The joysticks are actually pretty easy to use. I just need to learn to be a little smoother, turning and moving around. Combination of both joysticks together. So what I'm going to demonstrate now is I'm going to demonstrate using it with some preset controls and with the app on the phone. I'll also be able to demonstrate that it can start from my hand. So I'm going to do rocket first.
3, 2, 1.
So this is the control that goes up and slowly turns around as it's going up. So you get a direct vertical turning view of yourself. And now it's coming back down. And that's how you land. So let's try another one. Let's try, let's go to circle.
3, 2, 1.
So now it's going to move out a certain distance. And it's not out far enough, so I'm going to go up a little bit. There we go. So now I moved it up a little higher so it wouldn't hit the Jeep. And now it's circling around me. That's kind of cool. Now I'm going to try another one. I'm going to try what's called droning. So this is, it slowly backs up in reverse away from you and climbs up in elevation at the same time. You'll get to a preset distance and then it'll come back. Cool. And then here's direction track. Let's see how this works. This should follow me. It'll follow me to the side as I walk around. I'll walk closer to it. See what happens if I turn. That's cool. I'm gonna stop. And there we go. Lands right in your hand. So overall, I'm really impressed with this drone. For someone, like I said, that is new to the drone world, I think this is going to work really well. I'm looking forward to trying this on my trips, and probably look forward to seeing it in some future videos.